Alright, I'm here with the Mamiya 7 65mm f4 lens on it with a deep yellow filter, and I'm going to load the film. I already pulled the little tab off the back of the box and slid it in there so I'll remember what type of film it is and what speed. I got it set to 120. When you have the camera, you have to make sure that the pressure plate is set to the right mode. You got 120 up here, 220, and 135 or 35mm down here. And you can kind of flip. I forget exactly how you do it. I think you have to push it down, but you flip it like that, which I don't need to do, so there's really no point. You have to make sure the dark slide is drawn, which it is. You do that with this little knob on the bottom, and you have to have a receiving spool over here, which fortunately I already have. So let's see. Got these two tabs right here. They release the little triggers on the bottom, there and there. So what I do is I take the film. It's already pulled out of the little plastic wrap and has the tape taken off. So you put that in here, push that down, pull this one out, try to line it up as much as you can. You got a pretty long lead, so you don't have to worry too much about exposing it or anything. Line up this end in here, which is a lot more difficult than it sounds. Is it going? There we go. Push that button. Now it's in, but it's still not in the right place. You have a little white arrow up here. So you gotta advance a few times until you have the arrows lined up right there. Perfect. Now notice that the advance lever is kind of hanging half-cocked. That's fine. You just close it. Now, if you look up here, you'll see that it still has the S mark. So you gotta keep advancing until you get to the film. Need 2 or 3 strikes, and you get to the one, stops advancing, and it's ready to shoot. Of course, I have to remove the dark slide, and now I'm literally ready to shoot.